Hi everyone, there was a question about complicated trinomials, part 5, number 1a. So for part 5, number 1a, 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. This is a complicated trinomial because the a value is not 1. And we can't factor out the greatest common factor because 7 isn't divisible by 2, so we can't divide 2 out of every term. So here's the way that I, Miss Monday, like to factor. There are a lot of different methods of factoring out there. Find a method that works for you, but this is what I do. So I make an x, and on top of the x I put a times c. So the a value is 2 times the c value is 12. Always a times c in the top, always the b value in the bottom. And we have to think of two numbers, we're going to put two numbers here, that multiply to get 12 and that need to add to get 7. So the numbers that multiply to get 12 are 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And so let's think of which ones add to get 7. So 1 plus 12 is 13, that doesn't work. 2 plus 6 is 8, that doesn't work. 3 plus 4 is 7, so that one works. Okay? So I'm going to put those numbers on this side, on the sides, 3 and 4. And now what I need to do is I need to rewrite this equation, and I'm going to rewrite this equation, and I'm going to take out the middle term, and I'm going to replace the middle term with 3x plus 4x. Because 3x plus 4x is 7x. So I'm going to replace the middle term. So let's rewrite it. So we're writing 2x squared, replace the middle term with 3x plus 4x. Don't forget to write the last term. Now we have 4 terms. So we're going to solve by grouping. So what we do is we cut it in half, so we have 2 terms on each side. And, oh, one more thing. It doesn't matter what order you put 3x and 4x in. If you put the 4x first, that's fine. This work right here will be a little bit different, but you'll get the same answer. Okay, so now we need to see on the left side, what can we factor out? What's the greatest common factor? So the greatest common factor is x, and when I factor that out, I'm left with 2x squared divided by x is 2x, and 3x divided by x is 3. Okay? Then on the right side, I need to see what I can factor out, and on the right side, I can divide out a 2. When I divide out a 2, what I'm left with is 4x divided by 2 is 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, these parentheses are the exact same. That's what we wanted, so we're going to write that parentheses. And then the numbers that we divided out, we're going to put together in another parentheses. So that's how we factor complicated trinomials, and complicated trinomials happen when the a value is not 1. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.